South Africa's military declared on Thursday that it planned to hold joint training exercises with Russia and China off its coast next month, a move opposed by the U.S., which has been working to assemble other countries to isolate Russia over the Ukraine war. The exercises will take place on February 24, 1 year after the beginning of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Last year, South Africa was one of the 36 countries that chose not to participate in a UN vote to denounce Russia for allegedly annexing parts of Ukraine. In the past, South Africa has conducted military drills with Russia and China, as well as the United States and other NATO members. According to the South African National Defense Force, the planned drills, which will take place near the coastal towns of Durban and Richards Bay from February 17th to 27th, are a means to deepen the already blooming relations between South Africa, Russia, and China. The United States, which has supported a strategic alliance with South Africa for many years, promptly expressed its disapproval. The United States Embassy in Pretoria, South Africa, issued a statement in which spokesperson David Feldman stated, "We note with concern the plan by South Africa to move ahead with the joint exercises even as Moscow continues its brutal and unlawful invasion of Ukraine. We encourage South Africa to cooperate militarily with fellow democracies that share our mutual commitment to human rights and the rule of law," he continued. According to experts, the naval exercise is a demonstration of South Africa's diplomatic independence. This naval drill reaffirms South Africa's position that it would not allow the crisis between Russia and Ukraine to dictate its diplomatic relations. South Africa is a member of an alliance with Brazil, Russia, India, and China, known by the acronym BRICS. Although the European Union is South Africa's main trading partner, the African National Congress, the country's ruling party, has long had close ties to both Russia and China because of their support in the struggle against apartheid. Many South Africans who spearheaded the fight to topple the apartheid regime studied and trained for the military in the Soviet Union. Members of the African National Congress, a liberation party that would later rule South Africa, received military training from China as well. The joint naval drill is a heartening sign of friendship from a diplomatic partner for Russia, which has been subject to international sanctions since beginning the conflict, according to various analysts. Despite the lesser stakes, February's exercise will also serve as a reminder to China that the BRICS partnership is still a major player in the world, according to Elizabeth Sideropoulos, director of the South African Institute of International Affairs. Even though BRICS isn't a military alliance like NATO, it still describes itself as a countervailing power against the West. According to the Army, this will be the second such exercise undertaken in the presence of the three naval forces, the first having occurred in November 2019 in Cape Town, South Africa. Along with their Russian and Chinese counterparts, more than 350 South African military personnel from various services and divisions will participate in these maneuvers, according to the release, with the purpose of sharing skills and operational information. If you enjoyed this video, do check out our next one, which looks at how South Africa defied critics and rolled out red carpet for Russian warships. Be sure to like both videos, comment, share, and subscribe to the New Africa channel for more exciting future videos.